Hi guys! Today I'm going to show you how to add shapes and how to record yourself talking on one of your assignments on Seesaw. Find your assignment you want to do and click Add Response. There's the assignment your teacher wants you to do. If you need to add a shape, look down here where you see those three dots. You can choose a shape to add to your assignment. I want to add a heart because that's one of my favorite things. That's too big, so I'll drag it and pinch it to make it smaller. When I'm finished with that shape, I can choose another shape. Now, I'd like to record myself talking so my teacher knows what I wrote. I can click on this microphone to record myself talking. Get ready. 3, 2, 1, go. Hi, Miss Smith. I like hearts. I do not like circles. I click the pause button when I'm done. Here's how you edit your recording. Let's pretend you started recording, but you froze and didn't know what to say, or you made a mistake. It's okay. Just push the pause button, and you can delete what you just said. If you're done with your activity, you can just submit.